as data analysts, we have to be extremely cautious on how we clean and optimize our data in Power Query. So today I'm going to show you exactly what you have to look out for. Check this out. Alright, y'all, so we're back iterating upon our YouTube query that we've been working on. And today I want to talk to you about blanks and duplicates and those empty values that we're so used to in Power Query and what to look out for. So whether you're new to Power Query or Power BI or advanced, these are just some basic tips on how you can look at your data. So the first thing I always do when I'm looking at my data as I bring it in, I want to ensure that I have a unique column. So with this one, I created an index column because as I selected the employee ID column, I went to view and I went to column profile. I saw that there is more than one for some employee IDs. There's actually 3 for some and then 2 for a few others. And as you scroll to the right, you can see the ones that have a 1. So that's great, but all the ones to the left of that are duplicative, whether it's twice or 3 times. So that's just one thing you're going to look out for as you bring in your data. But then also the important thing is, where does the data really come from, right? Is it going to be the source of truth, or are you curating a source of truth? And then, for example, if you're missing certain values such as departure date, and you know those values are in a different table, that's fine and great and all, but you want to ensure that you have a relationship built within your model viewer so that it's calling that data. But you always want to ensure too that the employees or the distinct value that you're looking at, that unique key, is present in both tables, and you have the same people that you have within this table versus the other one too. Because if you don't, now you're missing certain key personnel that you're probably not going to be able to see because their data is not available in both tables. Now, it may not always apply, but that's just something to consider. With that said, that's just a quick walkthrough, quick dry run on what I do to ensure that I have healthy data within Power Query. With that said, thanks for watching. Let me know your comments down below, and until next time, y'all.